Welcome back to Bike Plus, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw, a major leap forward in India's urban mobility sector. A new era of efficiency. Suzuki Maruti has officially launched its 2025 Auto Rickshaw, and it's already making waves. Designed with a perfect balance of tradition and innovation, this three-wheeler is tailored for today's demanding city conditions. The new model comes equipped with an upgraded BS6 compliant engine that not only improves fuel efficiency but also significantly reduces emissions, making it more environmentally friendly than ever before. Bold new design and comfort features. The 2025 model gets a noticeable design refresh. With a stronger chassis, LED headlamps, improved suspension, and a restructured cabin, it offers better stability and comfort for both driver and passengers. Wider seats, enhanced legroom, and better ventilation make daily commutes far less taxing. Suzuki Maruti has clearly prioritized ergonomics in this update. Performance and powertrain options. Buyers can now choose between petrol, CNG, and electric variants, giving them flexibility based on operational needs and cost efficiency. The petrol and CNG variants are powered by a 0.8L engine tuned for low-end torque, ideal for city driving. The electric version is expected to deliver up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, with fast charging capabilities included. Affordability meets innovation. Pricing remains competitive, starting at just under 2.5 Indian rupees lakh for the base model. With lower maintenance costs, government incentives for CNG and EV versions, and a strong dealership network, the 2025 Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw is a smart investment for fleet owners and daily drivers alike. Final thoughts. With its modern upgrades, eco-friendly options, and proven reliability, the 2025 Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw is set to redefine public transport in India. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more reviews, comparisons, and updates on the latest launches.